Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily update on Fetch. All right, we're back again. There's enough to talk about. Fetch has been a bit bearish since yesterday. And you can in general, well, I have my thoughts about it, but in general as well, this actually provides more opportunities, I think. So we'll talk about that. We'll do a full update. We'll talk about some fundamentals initially, which you do need to know about. And then we'll get into the technicals, what's possible, what's going on right now, everything, all right? So let's get right into it. So the reason why I say that this is more of an opportunity is because, and most of you know this, I'm very bullish on Fetch, all right? And I'm very bullish on AI, and Fetch has always, or at least usually is, the top performer when it comes to the AI sector in crypto, all right? So what you see right now is that AI is underperforming. It's the third worst narrative right now, when you look at all of these narratives right here. And it's in general, it's been moving together with the market. Now, obviously, if you zoom out, that's one of the key reasons behind that is because AI has already performed super well. So it's normal to get some sort of a pullback. But this is a real pullback. I mean, you can see yesterday when we talked about Fetch, and just in general, you see that Fetch has a lot of strength. Like the first time it spiked down to this level around 2.5, it got an immense amount of support. And just in general, you can see these bullish spikes all along the way. But you can see that if you look at the EMAs, so the average price in general, you can see that that's trending down. So there is a bit of a downtrend here, which you can, by the way, also see. I mean, we're making lower highs, we're making lower lows here. So that's the situation. Now, what makes that interesting is that with the strength of Fetch that we know and with the potential that the AI sector has, what's definitely going to happen is that at some point of time, a beautiful trend line right here, so maybe it's the one I drew, maybe it's one a little bit more loosely drawn, something like this, nah, not something like this, but maybe something like this, I don't know, based on that wick, probably not, but still, at some point of time, what's going to happen is Fetch is going to get a bullish breakout above this level right here, around 2.75, together with momentum, and it will rally back up to $3. So something like that is going to happen. Now, the big question is will that happen right now? Is it more likely that we will get some bearish momentum before getting that breakout, etc. All right. So that's what I wanted to talk about right now. So if you look at Fetch right now in terms of open interest, what we saw yesterday is that the open interest was very much dropping down. And that's still the case, I would say. You can see the open interest right here is practically moving sideways. So there's no indication of a breakout yet at this moment. So if there's no indication of momentum and a breakout, what we should assume is that the current market structure will continue, which is that Fetch might retest 2.7 and 2.75, but that we will not break out and slowly fall down towards our main support level at 2.5 and 2.45. And in general, you should always, with funding rates like these, you should always be prepared for a bigger crash, all right, down to 2.2 and 2.25. That's true. It's not something I expect today, but you should be prepared for it. But ultimately, that is what I expect. Now, the main thing to watch is this open interest. If we can actually, and I'm going to draw it a little bit more beautiful right now, if we can get some sort of a breakout in terms of open interest above 225 million or 230 million, then momentum is coming. And then the opportunity and the possibility of this breakout becomes a real scenario. But that's not the case right now, all right? So for now, I think it's most likely that we'll just stay in this consolidation with a slight bearish bias, I do think. And then eventually, but I'll try to keep you updated on that, eventually we'll gain momentum and we'll break out. But that could also, if the market really turns bad here, that could also be from $2.2 and that we get that breakout from there. But that's something I'll keep you updated on. For now, I think this is what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.